So today I wanted to come on here and do a video on repositioning your pop socket. So what you'll need is a card, like it could be like a room card or a credit card, something along those lines. So I've got a Starbucks card right here. I've got my phone with the pop socket. And honestly, this is the easiest method that I found in getting the pop socket off and repositioning it on my phone. So if you're interested in this video, continue watching. So what I'm going to do here is take this Starbucks card, or you can even use those items or those plastic reward cards that are on your keychain. If you have those, that will work as well. But I'm going to use this card here. And I've got my phone with the pop socket. And so all you want to do, instead of using your nails, I've seen people try to go underneath and like rip it off with their nails, and it's not really the most effective. But as you can see here, I'm taking the plastic card and going underneath where I can feel that sticky part of the pop socket. And I'm slowly gliding it underneath. And so as you're removing it, it becomes the base. So you can see I've got my pop socket right here on my card. I'm then going to take my pop socket, and let's just say, and this is how it looks from the back, I'm going to reposition it so it's a little bit more closer to, if you look at my phone here, I'm going to have it kind of be right below the Apple sign. And so voila, that's it. And so I'm going to, I'll take that, make sure it's firmly placed. A lot of times you can clean the bottom of the pop socket with some water and you can let it dry, but I'm just doing it for the purpose of the video. I'll probably do a separate video on how I clean the bottom of my pop socket. But as you can see here, I've got my pop socket and it's completely fixed right now underneath the Apple sign. Alright, if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit the like button or comment below if you have any questions. And again, just using just a firm plastic card here. And that's it, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.